Infinix silently launched Smart 9, an entry-level smartphone advertised to bring 48 months of fluent operation. The device already appeared in Bangladesh and Malaysia at an entry-level price, in line with its basic features. The front of the Smart 9 is occupied by a 6.7 LCD with HD+ resolution. It supports up to 120 Hz refresh rate and always-on display. There is also a single punch hole for the selfie camera, which transforms into a dynamic bar for notifications. The front-facing camera has an 8-megapixel sensor, while at back sits a 13-megapixel shooter alongside an auxiliary sensor. The Smart 9 sports the Helio G81 chipset, and the fine print reveals the 48-month fluency only applies to the 128GB storage version. The note also reveals this is not the same as absolutely no lag, so it is basically an unimpressive nothing sandwich with a pretty marketing wrapper. The phone features a 5000 mAh battery, IP54 rating, and drop protection. There are stereo speakers as well. The phone's entry-level status means it has Android 14 Go edition with lighter apps. Infinix put XOS 14 on top. Infinix offers the Smart 9 in black, mint green, gold, and silver, which is called Neo Titanium. The phone costs MIR $299 in Malaysia, which is about 65 euros or $75, but that is for the 364GB option. The 128GB version's price will be revealed later on.